you're in logistics, then you fully understand that you help the world move.
This facility here is a third-party logistics provider for a grocery warehouse. So here we deal in produce. I feel like I'm contributing to helping families come together at the dinner table.
Coming to work, it just feels great every day. It's easy to wake up. I'm happy to think about the impact that I make. Everybody's got to eat, right?
We like to keep our food fresh, make sure our customers are happy. Actually traveling to the stores and seeing the impact that my job has with other customers, it's actually something I'm really proud of that.
I've worked with Penske for a year and 2 months. It's given me an opportunity to be in a field that I knew nothing about starting out. And they've really given me a lot of knowledge along the way to really build me to this level.
We're all in one team. When one of us falls, then we all fall. But I'm here to pick that one person up. I love it. Penske is a no judgment zone. Whether you come in here with experience or not, we can develop that for you.
The first couple of days I was definitely apprehensive just because it was a brand new environment for me. But as I got into it more and more, my trainer here kind of put me at ease. Everything kind of flowed easily, and within the 2-week mark, we just went into full speed after that.
Well, this definitely feels like more of a career than a job, just for the simple fact that the room for growth is there.
I know how big the company actually is. I know the different positions that are available. I've seen since I started working here, I've perused to see what could I do with Penske. And honestly, if I want it bad enough, I feel like Penske would give me a shot at it. They're willing to build people from the ground up.
Everybody's thinking about the next person, and we all got that shiny button on our machine. That's a nice loud horn, and we use it a lot. Yeah, we just watch out for each other.
No task is too great for our team. We just go the extra mile for one another.
Penske offers me the tools and the knowledge to go wherever I want to go. Honestly, effort equals results.
The sky's the limit. Let's make it happen.